Welcome! Today you'll learn how to never get angry or bothered by anyone, ever again. Stop letting people steal your joy or hijack your calm. We'll cover 3 powerful chapters to build unshakable emotional armor. Chapter 1. Master your triggers. Chapter 2. Reframe negativity. Chapter 3. Cultivate inner calm. Stay tuned for a step-by-step action plan at the end. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Transition. Chapter 1. Title: Master your triggers. First, identify your anger triggers. People, topics, or habits that push your buttons. Keep a triggers journal. Note what happened, how you felt, and why you reacted. You can't control triggers, but you can control your response. Look for patterns. Maybe mornings or criticism provoke you most. Test small changes. If email frustrates you, check it only twice daily. Set boundaries. Say, "I'll get back to you later," instead of reacting immediately. Create friction. Pause 5 seconds before responding to provocation. Use that pause to breathe deeply. Shift from autopilot to choice. When you see a trigger, remind yourself, this is just a reaction, not your reality. Revisit your triggers log weekly. Gradually reduce their power. Over time, what once enraged you becomes background noise. That's Chapter 1. Mastering triggers through awareness and breathing. Transition title: Chapter 2. Reframe negativity. End of Chapter 1. Next, reframe negative thoughts. Your mind loves a good story, so give it a better one. When you feel insulted, ask, is this fact or my interpretation? Challenge catastrophic thinking. Will this matter in 5 days, 5 years? Replace they should with I choose to regain control. Practice positive self-talk. I am calm. I am in control. Use gratitude. Even small blessings shift your lens. Reframing takes practice. Each time you catch negativity, pivot to something neutral. Visualize a mental stop sign when unwelcome thoughts arise. Then replace it immediately with a constructive question. Over time, your brain rewires to default to positive or neutral framing. Reframe social slights into opportunities. They don't know me yet. Turn obstacles into stepping stones. Growth mindset in action. Journal 1 reframe per day. Track your shift from victim to victor. Notice how little things that used to bug you just roll off. That's Chapter 2. Rewriting your internal script for calm and resilience. Transition. Title: Chapter 3. Cultivate inner calm. End of Chapter 2. Finally, anchor calm with practices that ground you. Daily meditation, even 5 minutes, lowers reactivity. Breathwork resets your nervous system. Try 4 to 7 to 8 breathing. Progressive muscle relaxation releases built-up tension. Cold showers or face splashes trigger vagal reset. Nature walks restore equilibrium. Get outside often. Mantras like, I am unshakable, reinforce calm under pressure. Cultivate hobbies that soothe. Music, art, movement. Limit caffeine and sugar, they spike reactivity. Practice self-compassion. Treat yourself as you would a friend. Celebrate small wins of calm. Reinforcement builds consistency.
Build a toolkit: breathing, cold water, movement, mantra. Choose your go-tos. With practice, calm becomes your default reaction. That's Chapter 3. Inner calm anchors your unflappable mindset. Transition to outro. End of Chapter 3. You now have the blueprint. Master triggers, reframe negativity, anchor calm. Practice these daily to become unshakable. Nothing or no one can bother you. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs calm. Comment below, which chapter will you start first? I'm your name. Thanks for building your unbotherable mind with me. Remember, true strength is calm confidence. Use it daily. Remember, true strength is calm confidence. Use it daily. Subscribe button pulse. Notification bell ding. Social links. Credits and thanks. Fade to black.